So my son wanted to get a glass mouse pad to improve his speed, aim, overall ability while gaming. So after looking around, he settled on the SKYPAD WALLHACK glass gaming mouse pad. This is the one in black. Let me show it to you real quickly on his desk. All right, so this is his gaming setup. And this is the one that he has now, the glass mouse pad. I want to show you guys how low profile it is. Look, he used to have like a really long fabric one, but can you explain to them like why you prefer this?
Glides much better. Like if you're moving it, there's less like drag, meaning that if you were to make a very small movement on a cloth mouse pad, it wouldn't exactly record it. But on a glass mouse pad, since it'll actually move because there's no friction, your mouse can record that.
All right, so this is what it looks like up close and personal, guys. Super easy to clean because it's glass. So are you happy with this? 1 to 10, 10 high?
10.
Okay.
And the reason is, number one, it's clean. Also, like, it just removes all that clutter from, like, a big just mouse pad. It removes a lot of that clutter.
Yeah.
It's clean, better for aiming, or just more enjoyable because it just looks sleeker, looks better on a setup.
This is the SP004, and it has around 1,000 5-star reviews. And he had seen so many videos about pro gamers using this, so that's why he chose this one. I have to show you this. The unboxing experience, guys, was Apple level. Look at this. Okay, this is how it came. Mousepad was in here, beautiful. And I love this because if you ever had to move the mousepad, so keep this. Wow, just wow on the packaging. So it is 19.29 inches this way, 16.92 inches this way. And the entire back is silicone. And of course it has a logo, hopefully you can see that. The whole back is silicone, which means that when they're violently moving around their mouse, not moving at all. And look how low the profile is. 0.15 inches. Do you see how thin that is? This is the 4th generation Surface, tempered glass. By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. Consider subscribing if you enjoy honest product reviews about home and family Amazon finds. I'm really trying to grow this channel to 1K by St. Patty's Day. Plus we can hang out and be smart little cookies together. Okay, back to the video. You can see the design that says WALLHACK right there. This is all silicone, not silicone dots or silicone strips. It is completely silicone all the way across the back. You can, of course, if this thing did not have a full silicone back, it'd be moving around and then you'd lose every advantage that you would have from the glass. So the fact that that silicone back is on there is incredibly important. It is extra wide. This is the extra large. I mean, yeah, it's an investment. It's $130, but I mean, made to last a lifetime. Tempered glass. And made for and used by gaming pros. He has done nothing but rave about how much his everything has been improved by this. His ability to scroll and stop and his aim and timing and everything improved by this. Loves how easy it is to clean. The cloth ones were a nightmare to clean. This is super easy. Spray down with rubbing alcohol, wipe clean. Or just use regular dish soap and water, wipe it clean. If you or someone that you know is trying to level up their game, increase speed, I would definitely say to invest in this. Will pay you back year after year, day after day, better gaming speed, better aim, and just an overall better experience. He is absolutely so thrilled with this. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.